Today, we're diving into a device that's making waves for all the right reasons. Blackview has introduced the Shark 9, and it's packed with features that balance style, performance, and practicality. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this exciting new release, what makes it stand out, and why it could be the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. The first thing that stands out is its design and build. This phone feels sturdy yet comfortable to hold, thanks to its carefully thought-out dimensions and manageable weight. The colors, starry rock black and azure wave blue, add a touch of sophistication, making it look as good as it feels. Next, let's move on to the display. It's a 6.67-inch IPS LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate. This means smooth scrolling, a bright screen that works even outdoors, and a size perfect for watching videos or browsing. While the resolution isn't the highest, it's more than enough for everyday use without sacrificing too much clarity. When it comes to performance, this phone runs on Android 14 paired with DocOS 4.0. It's powered by the Unisoc T820 chipset, which handles daily tasks smoothly. You won't face lags when multitasking or using apps, and it's even capable of light gaming. It's a practical setup for anyone who values reliability. Now let's talk about storage and memory. With 256 GB of internal storage and 8 GB RAM, you get plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. If that's not enough, there's a microSD slot to expand storage. It's built to keep up with your digital lifestyle without running out of space. For photography, this phone offers a triple camera system with a 50MP main lens that captures sharp and vibrant images. There's also a macro lens and a depth sensor for creative shots. The front camera is 8MP, great for selfies or video calls. It even supports 4K video recording on the rear camera, which is impressive for a phone in this range. Battery life is another highlight. With a 5000 mAh battery, it lasts all day without breaking a sweat. And when you do need to recharge, the 18W fast charging makes sure you're back up and running in no time. Finally, there are all the extras that make this phone feel complete. Dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and stereo speakers add value to the experience. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is quick and convenient, and it even has a 3.5mm headphone jack for those who still love wired audio. A great phone isn't just about specs, it's about how everything comes together to make life easier. This one gets it right in so many ways. What do you think? Is this the perfect balance of features for you? If you found this breakdown helpful and you're excited about what the Blackview Shark 9 has to offer, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And if you're still on the lookout for your next phone, make sure to check out our next video, where we'll be talking about another exciting device that could be your perfect match. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.